Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're tackling something super useful: how to publish Smartsheet in 2025. If you're using Smartsheet for project management, collaboration, or tracking tasks, publishing your sheets can make sharing a breeze. Whether you're a beginner or just need a quick refresher, this step-by-step guide will have you publishing like a pro in no time. Let's dive right in. First things first, make sure you're logged into your Smartsheet account. Open the sheet you want to publish, that's your starting point. Now, head over to the top right corner and click on the Share button. This is where the magic happens. In the sharing options, look for the Publish tab. It's usually right there, waiting for you. Once you're in the Publish settings, you'll see a few choices. Decide what you want to share, maybe just a view-only version to keep things secure, or perhaps allow some editing if you're collaborating closely. Smartsheet makes it easy with options like generating a public link or embedding it on a website. For 2025, keep an eye out for any new features, like enhanced privacy controls or integration with other tools, but the core process remains straightforward. After selecting your preferences, hit that Publish button. Smartsheet will generate a unique link for you. Copy it, paste it wherever you need, like in an email, a Slack channel, or even your website. Don't forget to test the link to ensure everything looks good on the other end. A few quick tips to make this even better: always review your sheet for sensitive information before publishing to avoid any privacy issues. If your sheet updates frequently, remember that published versions might need refreshing, so check Smartsheet's auto-update settings. And if you're sharing with a large team, consider using folders for better organization. There you have it. You're all set to publish your Smartsheet and share your work with the world. If this tutorial helped you, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech tips, and drop a comment below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.